Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one secret website where you can make money as a print-on-demand seller. Now this website is a little bit different from the rest of the print-on-demand websites that I've already talked on my videos on this channel. This is a little bit different and I have also personally tried it and it's really an amazing print-on-demand website. So we're just gonna go straight with that website, and before going with the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that, and subscribe to my channel if you want more such content. And if you are an artist and creative entrepreneur and want to make money online, then this channel is exactly for you. Consider subscribing this channel. I also have a bunch of the freebies for you to get started with making money online. You can download all those freebies. The link is in the description box below and you can download them and use them. Now talking about that one secret website, without further ado, let me talk about that. That secret website is Lulu Express. Now if you just go into the Google and type the Lulu, then there is something else website will going to pop up. So it's just the Lulu Express. I'm going to leave a link of this website in the description box below for you guys to check it out. But talking about the Lulu, what is Lulu? So how you can use them and what are the products that you can sell. Now Lulu Express is a print-on-demand arm of Lulu, an online platform for self-publisher. So it's similar to KDP as a print-on-demand but different in certain aspects. So we're going to cover how it's different and how you can reach to more wider audiences for especially for your books that you are creating and get more eyeballs for that. So they make it easy to create and sell your own print-on-demand products, everything from books to calendars that you can customize in a variety of ways. Lulu Express is great for writers, photographers, educators, and creatives, especially those with an established audience that they want to monetize. Outside of the standard merchandise that creators typically sell, print products lets you convert your content into physical items, such as turning your web comics into a coffee table book. Best of all, this doesn't close you off from other distribution channels, which means more reach and scale, such as retail bookstores and Amazon. Instead, Lulu Express makes it easy to test an idea and or retain more of your profits by selling directly to consumer under your own brand by passing all the gatekeepers of the traditional publishing. You can, if you have some kind of followers around some particular niche and you want to monetize those audience, then also you can create some books, some comics, some calendars, and some magazines and can sell directly to those people under your own brand. And even though if you don't have people to purchase from you, you can also use the distribution channels. Yes, Lulu also act as a distribution channel and distribute your work to the different platform out there like the other retailers and also onto the Amazon. So if you're creating a book and you want your book to be sold on every platform out there in the online space, you can use the Lulu and distribute your books to the various platforms, Amazon and various different other retailers that I'm going to talk in this video guys. So what are the product catalogs that you can sell via this Lulu Express? The product catalog overview, you can sell the novel, photo books, cookbooks, journals, art books, workbooks, novelty coffee table books, textbooks, poetry books, calendars, comic books, magazines, and other print products. So it's different guys. Here you're not selling the t-shirt or the stickers or all these products that we usually sell in the print-on-demand. Here you are selling something different because it's a different website, but again you're getting more access to your books. If you're creating a journals or if you're creating a certain kind of book, you can use the Lulu as well, and it can help you get the more reach for your books by distributing on various platforms out there. You would be thinking why to choose the Lulu Express. So if you go into the Lulu Express website, which I'm leaving the link in the description box below for you guys to check it out, you are gonna see that Lulu Express is simple and fast with no hidden fees. There is no hidden fees guys. Even if you want to distribute your book to all the distributors out there, to all the marketplaces out there, you don't need to pay. Like they would be taking a commission for every sale you are making, but there is no hidden fees, there is no upfront fee that you need to pay them to get your book distributed to all the distributors or all the marketplaces out there. Because I have personally used this platform, and when someone is purchasing my book on those different marketplaces, then Lulu will going to take some percentage commission from my book sale and rest will goes to me. Parties will actually going to take some sort of commission per each sale. That's quite obvious because they are giving you a platform, they are giving you this opportunity and also bringing you with the sales. So yeah. Now, flexible formats, more than 3,000 format options, binding types and book layouts are available. So all these are professional qualities. Even if you're getting started with your own company, your own book publishing company, and you want to order some books for under your own brand name, you can do that. You can order your own books under your own brand name from the Lulu Express, and they're gonna submit you your books after publishing, and you're gonna get it, and it's really a good quality, high professional quality. Your books delivered to over 150 countries. So if you're using the distributor, your books will be going to deliver to 150 countries. Books are printed on demand and shipped within 3 to 5 business days. You're gonna get the Lulu support. And now we're just gonna talk about the shipping and a little bit of the stuffs which is important before getting started. Ships within 3 to 5 business days to over 150 countries from fulfillment centers in the US, Canada, Europe and United Kingdom. Starts at $3.99 to ship to the US. You can see the price calculator. They have different types of fulfillment centers depending on whichever one you're using and where you wanna ship your books to and all. Now, printing options, digital printing with the option to choose paper type. You can choose the paper type, the trim size, the print quality, the color, the binding type, and between matte or glossy finish. So if you're publishing a magazine and you want your magazine to have a print issue, then the Lulu is the best way to go for it. Because you can have a glossy finish, the colored finish of your magazine, and yeah. Unique features with Lulu, you can sell your own books on the Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Lulu's own marketplace, or even as an ebook. So you can sell it as an ebook as well, Amazon, Barnes & Noble as well, and different marketplaces out there. It is recommended for authors, for teachers, comedians, illustrators, and creatives of all kinds who want to monetize the talent of their audience with a book or a calendar product. So this is a little bit about that. Now let me talk about a little bit about the distributor, guys. So you have 3 ways in which you can sell onto the Lulu. The first way is that sell on Lulu. That means list your book for sale in the Lulu bookstore and enjoy not for the best revenue share industry but bookstore quality printing. So you can sell on the Lulu. Other way, you can sell on your own website and connect your website with the Lulu. So what is that? Sell directly to your audience from your website using Print API or a Lulu Express Shopify API automated fulfillment solution. You can connect your website with the Lulu and can sell that or directly sell on the Lulu or sell around the world. So if you want your book to be distributed to all the marketplaces available out there, list your books with over 40,000 online retailers and libraries including Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Ingram and much more. So 40,000 online distributors. So these are the 3 ways. You can directly sell on the Lulu. You can have it sell on your own website by connecting the Lulu with your own website, or either you can use sell your books on the various distributors like 40,000 libraries, which is pretty awesome, guys. If you are creating some kind of a low content book, like you're creating a general or you are creating a coloring book, activity book or puzzle book, you can directly go onto the Lulu and publish your book and allow it to distribute onto the various different marketplaces out there. And you don't need to pay for the upfront cost, guys. You don't need to pay for the upfront cost. Whenever that book's will going to sold, Lulu will going to take their cut from that and you're gonna get the rest of your commission. So it's pretty awesome, guys. You are creating these books already on the Amazon KDP, so why not use the Lulu as well to get it more over to the more marketplaces, over to the more libraries and more online places where you can get your book available to as many people as you want. So utilize Lulu, guys. It's in the beginning, it's free. I mean, they're not taking you any monthly fees or any monthly subscription for your book to be distributed to the different distributors out there. They are taking a commission from the sales. So I think that's doable because I have personally used it and I see that if you are not need to pay anything in the upfront as a subscription fee and they're taking your money from your commission from your book sale, then I think it's quite doable because you don't need to pay in the upfront. They are only taking it when something is selling. Like if you're actually selling your book, then only they are taking their commission. If it's not selling, then you don't need to pay for anything. So for me, it's quite doable. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Lulu. Have you ever heard of the Lulu? Are you selling on it? I would really love to talk to you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.